Have you ever stared at a small cut on your hand, watching it slowly fade away day by day? That moment when the wound closes and smooth skin takes its place, you can't help but wonder, how does my body know how to heal itself? It feels almost magical, but it isn't magic. Beneath your skin, millions of tiny cells are fighting, rebuilding, and renewing, silently working to restore what was broken. Now, here's something truly awe-inspiring. More than 1,400 years ago, long before microscopes, biology, or modern medicine existed, the Quran revealed a truth about human skin that science only discovered centuries later. So today, on Ayat Atoms, let's uncover this breathtaking connection between divine revelation and modern medical science, and see how it proves that every healing wound is a sign of Allah's perfect design. The Quran says in Surah An-Nisa 4:56, "Those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into the fire. Every time their skins are roasted through, we will replace them with new skins, so they may taste the punishment." At first, this verse may sound harsh, a reminder of judgment. But beneath its warning lies a powerful scientific truth. It points to something no human in the 7th century could have known, that the sensation of pain comes from the skin, not deep inside the body. Today, medical science confirms it. Within your skin lie thousands of microscopic sensors called nociceptors, pain receptors that instantly alert your brain whenever you're hurt. Touch something hot, and they cry out, "It burns, it hurts." But here's the astonishing part. When a burn is deep enough to destroy those receptors, the pain disappears. Doctors observe that patients with severe burns often feel no pain until new skin begins to grow again. Exactly as the Quran described more than 14 centuries ago. Can you feel the depth of that? A divine statement wrapped in the language of truth and mercy. This connection between the Quran and neuroscience isn't coincidence. It's a mirror reflecting the precision of the Creator. But the miracle doesn't stop there. Your skin performs a quiet miracle every single day: renewal. Every 28 to 40 days, the outer layer of your skin completely replaces itself. Every minute, nearly 40,000 dead cells fall away, and new ones rise from below to take their place. That means your entire skin renews itself around 12 times a year. Subhanallah. Even without a single wound, your body heals and protects itself continuously, exactly as Allah designed it to. The Quran beautifully declares in Surah Ash-Shu'ara 26:80, "And when I am ill, it is He who cures me." Every scar that fades, every wound that closes, every new cell that forms is a whisper of Allah's compassion. It's as if your own body says, "He is the one who heals me." Now, pause for a moment and reflect. How could someone 1,400 years ago, living in the deserts of Arabia, know that pain is felt in the skin and that healing comes through skin renewal? He couldn't. No one could, unless that knowledge came directly from the one who created the human being. Verse by verse, truth by truth, the Quran continues to prove it is not the word of man, it is the word of the Creator Himself. If this revelation moved you, give this video a like. Share it with others who love exploring the harmony between faith and science. And don't forget to subscribe to Ayat Atoms for more awe-inspiring insights from the Quran. Because the more you learn, the deeper you realize, science doesn't contradict revelation, it confirms it.